Proteins are important to our health. They're like building blocks. They promote the structure, the function, and the maintenance of every part of our body. But because the body does not store protein, we need to replenish it every day. The World Health Organization recommends almost a gram of protein per 2.2 pounds of body weight per day. The problem is, too many of us get our protein from animal products. Okay in small amounts, they contain high levels of the unhealthy fats we need to avoid. Nutrilite all-plant protein powder combines the highest quality plant protein sources from soy, wheat, and pea to provide you the complete amino acid profile you need without the unhealthy fat and cholesterol. One serving of all-plant protein powder provides 10 grams of protein, the same amount of protein found in 1.5 eggs. Easy to use, low in fat, cholesterol and lactose-free. All-plant protein powder can be added to any meal. Support energy, muscle, and heart health with Nutrilite all-plant protein powder. Nutrilite, the world's #1 selling protein supplement brand and the world's #1 selling brand of vitamins and dietary supplements.